Welcome everyone. In the previous tutorial, we discussed different types of machine learning where we discuss about supervised and unsupervised learning. However, both methods are used in different situations and datasets. So next in this tutorial, we will discuss some of the key differences between supervised and unsupervised learning. So supervised machine learning is a category of machine learning where algorithm learns or trains under supervision using some training dataset. In this machine learning method, we pass both input as well as their corresponding output, and the model tries to determine a function that can predict the outcome of new specified input. But if I talk about unsupervised machine learning, it is the category of machine learning whose main role is to fetch hidden patterns from unlabeled data. So this technique tries to find the underlying structure and pattern from input data. Moreover, in unsupervised machine learning, there is no requirement for supervision. Instead, it uses data to discover pattern on its own. So let's start discussing the key differences between supervised and unsupervised learning. So basically in unsupervised learning, we utilize labeled data to train our machine learning model, or we can say algorithm. But on the other hand, in unsupervised machine learning, we utilize unlabeled data to train our machine learning model. Now the next key difference between supervised and unsupervised learning is based upon their input data. So in supervised machine learning, we provide both input as well as its corresponding output, and the model needs to find the relationship between input and output. But in unsupervised learning, we only provide input data and the model needs to automatically find the hidden patterns between it. Moreover, in supervised machine learning, the classes or the targets are already known, whereas in unsupervised machine learning, classes are unknown. Now, if I talk about computational complexity, the computation in supervised machine learning is simpler because we have both input as well as output data. But in case of unsupervised machine learning, we don't have output data, and this makes unsupervised learning more complex. Now, other than this, supervised learning offer higher accuracy, and generally models under supervised learning category are trustworthy. But on the other hand, the models that comes under unsupervised learning offers less accuracy as compared to supervised learning. Now, supervised learning falls short of actual artificial intelligence, since in this first we need to train the model for each of the data before it can accurately predict the outcome. But unsupervised machine learning is more in line with actual artificial intelligence because it acquires knowledge by experience, and it is quite similar to a kid which learns things on daily basis. Plus, in supervised machine learning, we use direct feedback to determine the accuracy of the predicted outcome, while in unsupervised learning, models does not accept any feedback. Now, numerous algorithms including Bayesian logic, decision tree, logical regression, multi-class classification, and linear regression are utilized in supervised machine learning, while unsupervised machine learning includes several algorithms like clustering, KNN, and a priori. Now, the applications of supervised machine learning includes speech recognition, pattern identification, spam detection, and even handwriting recognition, while the use cases of unsupervised machine learning includes fraud detection and data pre-processing. So with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial session where we have discussed some of the key differences between supervised and unsupervised machine learning. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.